Hey guys, we are going to assemble our Halloween countdown sign here that we have. You can grab the file for this in the shop, and I'm just going to show you real quick how I put it together. I'm going to be using Titebond wood glue. Let me get some of this out. I just squeeze a little bit out onto a piece of paper. Ooh, way too much, but that's okay. Just put that up there, and then I just use a silicone tipped brush basically, and I have our little ghost cut out here, and he goes right here. I have the file scored where all of the different pieces go to make it easier. So I'm just going to apply some wood glue to the back of this ghost here. And on the base of the sign, I stained it, and then I just did like a dry brush with some white over it to make it look a little bit weathered. Okay. And now we'll flip this over, and we're just going to line this right up with the score lines. Okay. And that will just sit right there, and it will glue down, no problem. All right, and now for our letters, we just pick them up, and again, we have score lines. So let me just put some wood glue on the back of these letters and put them right on top of the score lines. Just do each letter. And you don't need a ton of glue on these letters. Okay, let's put that down. And then you just go one by one. Let me pause the video, and I'll be back as soon as I have the rest of these glued down. Okay, so now the letters are all glued down. The ghost is glued down. To finish this off, you would just add some twine or purple, orange, black ribbon, whatever you want here. The ghost, he is, you can write on him with dry erase marker. Write the amount of days left till, I'm just going to use, say 31, just write it right on there. I used a Sharpie, but I'll clean that off with alcohol, so it's no big deal. And just hang this up, and the kids will have a blast changing the number every day. You can paint it however you like. This ghost, I was out of white acrylic, so what I did was I cut my ghost from wood, painted it with white, did a little bit of ink around the edges to make it look a little weathered and spooky, and then I heat pressed a laminate, like a laminating pouch over top of the ghost, and then just trimmed it out. So this is, you can see it has a shine to it. That is a laminated piece of wood, so that you can easily use a dry erase marker on it. Or, like I said, I did Sharpie in this case because I don't have a dry erase marker sitting here handy. But just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol will clean that number right off, and then we will use a dry erase marker on it for the rest of the season. But there you go, that's how easy it is to put together. The file comes with the base here, the ghost cutout, the letter cutouts, and then the score marks and everything, so you know where to line up all your add-ons after it is cut. And you can paint your letters whatever color you want. Alright guys, so I hope you found this a little bit helpful. give you an idea of what the Halloween sign can look like, and I'll see you next time.